Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to talk to you about YoshiPi. Think of it as an IoT or fast prototyping accelerator product that it's powered by a Raspberry Pi 2W, and think of it as a coupling of multiple sensors that are printed in the same printed circuit board that is this one, and has a bunch of peripherals already built in on it. So we have a touchscreen display here. We have a couple of push buttons, and we also have some connectors here that are for even plugging in even more peripherals. These are a Grove connector, a quick connector, and a micro bus connector, and this one's are I2C, whereas this one can be also general purpose IO or even SPI as well. We also have a real-time clock module here, so in case the Raspberry Pi is powered up, we can still keep the time on it. And there, you can also see there's a bunch of like power supplies here, along with analogs, pins, and some digital I/O here at the bottom. Notice also there's some solid state relays, and I want to show you a little bit more resources here. So let's switch this view here. And so if you go to yoshimaker.com, this is where the company that actually makes these boards. They're very low cost and easy to build, and it also comes with a YouTube video that it'll walk you through the assembling process as well. So even if you're not an expert in soldering, they will tell you or try to explain you as how best you can do it. And here are some of the specs that I already mentioned before. We have an ILI 9341. There's a touch display. We have power terminals here, some analog pins, a couple push buttons. Here's the Raspberry Pi 2W as well. And here's some standard connectors from companies that they make these peripherals are easy pluggable, so there's no hassle using the breadboarding. But if you want, you can also have you can also solder some female pins, and you can also wire up here some sensors in the prototyping area to get you even closer to proof of concept to making your IoT solution. And this is all open source. So if you go to Yoshimori, the Yoshimoshi Garage repository is a YoshiPi here, and it'll walk you through the whole process of key features that it has, some all the specs that it has also, and some schematics and also how to get you started. At the same time, if we go here, I created in my repository, I'll link all of these links will be in the description. And we also have here a repository that I made for some samples. So you can run these samples out of the box. And this is all running the Wilderness Labs Meadow software stack. So if you're a .NET developer, you will feel right at home, because these are actual full .NET applications that are running on on this board. So they're super intuitive to build, and you can take a look at these projects as a starting point, and then they'll get you they can get you fast paced, hitting the ground running, making IoT projects. So we have here things for like weather forecast, or this is also sending telemetry data to a Meadow cloud, or you can also control your YoshiPi, your Raspberry Pi, from the Meadow cloud, sending commands over. This is what the relay commands, the relay app does, and I'll have many more samples actually plugging the peripherals onto the YoshiPi board. So make sure to stay tuned, and yeah, so I hope you take a look at this board, and I'll see you around. Thank you.